have yet another Jamb question. Here we are asked to make Q the subject of the formula from the given formula. Solution. For we to make Q the subject of formula, we have to make a way where we'll bring out this Q. So the first thing to do when given this type of equation, the first thing to do is to multiply through by 5. So if we multiply through as this equation by 5, we'll get something like this. 5p to be equal to mx plus q plus this 5 will multiply this 5. For more on this topic or this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel. So the next thing to do is to open this bracket. If we open this bracket, we'll get this. We'll get 5p to be equal to mx plus mq plus 5. Of course, we are asked to make q the subject of formula. So all we need to do is just to bring this one place. So we have mq to be equal to, this will go over to this place to give us 5p minus mx minus 5. So this is what we get. And we are asked to make q the subject. So it's very simple. If q is the subject, we have to divide everything we have here by m. So if we divide everything we have here by m, we have mq all over m to be equal to 5p minus mx minus 5 all over m. Of course, this will go over this. It then means that q is equal to 5p minus mx minus 5 all over m. So it means that we have succeeded in making Q the subject of formula. So for more on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel. This becomes the subject